Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how you can utilize or you can perform if analysis in Microsoft Excel. So the type of data that we are going to use in this video is a student score in terms of the subject performance. So we have the student ID, we have their names, we have their gender, and then we have three subjects and the score of each and every subject. So we want to see the status of the student in terms of if they fail or pass. So we are going to use if to do that. And before we utilize if to do that, we need to calculate the average of these students. So we say is equal to average. So for the average, you are going to have this and then close the bracket, click. So it has decimals. So we want to remove decimals. So we are going to highlight this and then we go to numbers and then we remove the decimal so that it become our own number. So it has become our own number. Let's say the pass mark was 60. So let's utilize now. So we're going to name it status of the student. So for us to do that, we're going to say is equal to if. So if this logical test is if this is greater than 60, it's pass. So we are going to put the pass in quoted marks, pass. Otherwise, fail. Then we close the bracket. So we have the scores or the status of the students. So we have this first student by the name Brian Otino, male student, pass. We have this student number 2, Maria Cheng, female, failed because the average score is 48, which is less than 60. We have this student called Kevin Oma. He passed. He got average of 79 and the pass mark was 60. We have also this student Faith Onyango failed because she scored 58 and the pass mark was 60. So that's how you can award or you can put status of this if you're having data in terms of the performance scores of students. So you can use if to assign the status if they passed. So thank you so much for watching this video.